Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to navigate the metaflow workspace and build your first automation flow. Once you log in, you'll land on the flow's dashboard. Click New Flow to open the visual editor. First, let's rename the flow. I'll call this one Topic Explorer and add a short description if needed. Next, I'll drag in an input interface. To zoom in or out, you can simply pinch on a trackpad, pinch in to zoom out, and pinch out to zoom in. If you're using a mouse, simply hold down Command and scroll up or down to adjust your view. To pan around the canvas, you can use 2 fingers on a trackpad, or simply left-click and drag if you're using a mouse. This lets you navigate across the workspace with ease. And if you want to move a block, just click on it, drag it to a new position, and drop it wherever you'd like. It's that intuitive. Now, let's edit the input block. This is where you or the users of the flow can add inputs that will trigger the flow. I'm going to add a simple text input called topic and set a default value for it. Now I'll drop in an LLM action block. This is where you add an AI step to your flow. Your prompts go in this block. For this example, I'm dropping in a simple prompt to perform research. I'm going to insert the topic input variable into the prompt so the flow can pick it up and run. And I'm going to pick perplexity as the model for this AI action step. Next, I'll connect the input node to the LLM node by dragging from one to the other. The arrow indicates the direction of flow. Now that we have a simple flow set, let's click Save so we don't lose any changes. Finally, hit Run Flow to see it in action. That's it. A simple, intuitive way to get started with metaflow. You can keep building from here. Continue to the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the LLM action block, unpacking its advanced features and how to get the most out of your prompts.